In this video, I'm going to discuss about the very important lesson of social science, that is Gandhi era and freedom movement. In this chapter, the most expected 4 marks questions and keywords I'm going to share with you. Let's start. The first question is the major developments held during non-cooperation movement. The very big answer, non-cooperation movement. So I have made the very shortcut keys. Non-cooperation movement, which was started by M.K. Gandhi, made a very changes during freedom movement. I don't explain all the details of this question. I just go through the keywords. These keywords help you a lot in remembering the whole answer. The first is school and colleges, because during the non cooperation movement they boycotted school and colleges. Elections, they boycotted the elections for legislative bodies. Honor and medals, many Indians resigned and many Indians given back their honor and medals. Resigned, many members, those who already elected for the legislative bodies, resigned. Foreign goods boycotted. Knighthood, we have to remember Rabindranath Tagore given back the knighthood award, which was given by company. Prince of Wales, the Prince of Wales supposed to visit India, the people opposed, so the word is Prince of Wales. Common people, why this common people? For the first time common people gathered and even they donated, and they for the first time the common people appeared for a good cause. Next question, farmers and workers revolt, very important question. Farmers and workers revolt, this answer I have listed here point wise. You have to just remember all these. Congress and Marxist, indigo cropping, land tax, because farmers because of this reason, because of the land tax, they revolted against British. Organized farmers, Champaran Kheda movement started. Kisan Sabha banner. Telangana farmers, what they did and all that we have to remember. What Bengal farmers done, what Maharashtra farmers done, workers struggle, railway workers what they have done, Bombay mill workers, workers unions of Madras. There should be this whole keywords. Next we go. Role of tribals during freedom movement. Role of tribals during freedom movement. This is also one of the very important question. Here the words are land tax and forest policy, Santala and Monda, Kola, Bengal hilly areas, Jamindar system, land lost, tribal lost their land, exploitations by Jamindars, looting the money by the tribals. The places are Bharatpur and Rajmahal. Kill their enemies. This is the inspiration. These are very shortcut keywords. Next we go. Subhash Chandra Bose. Very easy answer. The keywords are Katak, 4th rank, Netaji, rallied in abroad, Social Party, Haripur Congress, Forward Bloc, House Arrest, Germany, Azad Hind Radio, Delhi Chalo, Give Me Blood, Captain Lakshmi, plane crash. He died in plane crash. That's it. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The shortcut keys are political freedom, concept of India, Mahad and Kalram, round table conference, separate electoral constituency, Diwan, Swatantra Karmika Party, Mokanayak, draft committee, law minister, Bharata Ratna award, all these related to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next one is Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the key words? Architect of modern India, integration of India, linguistic based states arranged, industrialization, 5-year plans, atomic energy, NAM, Panchashila principles, infrastructure. And these all particular important questions and keywords we have to keep in mind to elaborate our answers.